The path to this draft bill was anything but smooth. Investigative sources have revealed that the cabinet meeting on 10 February was one of the most hostile in recent memory, exposing deep fractures within ZANU-PF presidium. The tension boiled over when Attorney General Virginia Mabiza began outlining the legal framework for the amendments, suggesting that Zimbabwe's move to a parliamentary election model was inspired by the system in South Africa and Botswana. Salabina Mashkobranyo Kopangwana Chenzi, the cabinet clash. I am the president. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Team down on Mobranyo Chenzi. Chiwenga's tirade, supported by his ally and the recently retired Zimbabwe National Army commander Anselim Sanyatwe, was a direct challenge to the legal justification of the bill. The vice president insisted that South Africa has no Independence Day and was no example at all for Zimbabwe. The atmosphere became so toxic that President Mnangagwa was forced to intervene personally to reassert his authority. Mnangagwa told Chiwenga to calm down, saying, "We all must be honest about the ethos of the liberation struggle," a source revealed. When Chiwenga attempted to continue his prepared remarks, Mnangagwa reportedly backed back. "I am the president." This internal fracturing suggested that the 2030 vision is less about national development and more about a desperate struggle for survival within the party's top brass. Defense Minister Opam Chinguri is said to have pushed back against the military faction, further highlighting the divide between the civilian and the military wings of the party. As the Speaker of Parliament Jacob Mudenda gazettes the bill and triggers a 90-day public consultation period, the nation watches with a mixture of fatigue and frustration while ZANU-PF holds a two-thirds majority in parliament. The legal challenges from the war veterans and the internal clashes within the cabinet suggest that the road to 2030 will be far more treacherous than the president's inner circle anticipated. Leo developments ari kubuda muri Zimbabwe pamusoro aiwa pe-clash aiwa yoitika in the cabinet. Pana kumessage yemedu zofungura enyi muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, punch on the bell icon.